Adding a video in Webflow can enhance the visual appeal and engagement of your website. Here's a step-by-step guide to adding a video. Using the video element, drag the video element. Open your Webflow designer. From the Elements panel, drag the video element to the desired location on your page. Enter the video URL. Click on the video element to select it. In the Settings panel, enter the URL of the video. Webflow supports URLs from YouTube and Vimeo. Using the embed element for custom videos, drag the embed element. If you have a video hosted elsewhere or need more control, drag the embed element from the Elements panel to your page. Add embed code. Click on the embed element to open the custom code editor. Paste the embed code provided by your video host. Using background video, drag the background video element. From the Elements panel, drag the background video element to your page. Upload video. Click on the background video element to open the Settings panel. Click Choose Video to upload the video file from your computer. Webflow supports MP4 format. Customize settings. Set options such as autoplay, loop, and muted as needed. Styling the video. Adjust dimensions. Use the Style panel to set the width, height, and position of the video. Responsive design. Ensure your video is responsive by using percentage-based widths and testing on different devices. Preview and publish. Test the video. Use Webflow's preview mode to ensure the video plays correctly. Publish. Once satisfied, publish your site to make the video live.